Alright guys, in this video we're talking about skincare.
Women do it all their lives, why don't men?
I've started late, I'm 56, so it's never too late, but don't wait.
Women do it, so why not men? I'm talking about skincare.
As we age, our skin goes through many changes, and it's important to adapt our skincare routine to keep it looking its best. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the best skincare practices for older men. Collagen production decreases as we age, causing our skin to lose elasticity and firmness. The skin also becomes thinner, drier, and more prone to wrinkles and age spots. Additionally, exposure to the sun and other environmental factors can cause further damage. To combat these changes, here are some tips to turn back the clock for your skin. Number 1. Cleanse regularly. Keeping your skin clean is an important step in maintaining its health. Use a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and dead skin cells from your face. Avoid harsh soaps or scrubs that can damage the skin.
Hey guys, this is Chris from the future. This is what I use to wash my face these days. Did a little research on it. Not that expensive, not that, see, for dry skin, I'm out here in the desert, so. This seems to do it probably every other day. Not too crazy, I take things slow. I don't want to strip my face of any moisture, so this is what I'm using to wash my face these days, not just regular soap.
2. Moisturize daily. As our skin ages, it becomes drier and more prone to wrinkles. Moisturizing regularly can help to keep it hydrated and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Look for a moisturizer that contains ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or ceramides.
Alright guys, this is what I use for a little moisturizing. I don't use a moisturizer, but right before bed I put this under my eyes and maybe whatever's left around my lips and mouth, just to seal in a little moisture for the night. And it seems to be helping also. This is very common if you look up online or YouTube, you'll see a lot of people doing this. So, not a moisturizer, but it helps seal in some moisture, so research it.
3. Use sunscreen. Sun exposure is one of the biggest contributors to skin damage and premature aging. Make sure to use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 every day, even if it's cloudy outside. 4. Don't forget your eyes. The skin around our eyes is delicate and prone to wrinkles. Look for an eye cream that's specifically formulated to reduce puffiness and dark circles and hydrate the skin.
Alright guys, this is what I'm using. I've definitely noticed some difference on this around my eyes. It's been a month or two, and I try not to do this every night, maybe every other night, because it can dry you out. So you gotta be careful with this stuff. Don't just jump in and overdo it. So ease into it, dip your toe in the water. If you see some improvement, keep going.
5. Consider anti-aging products. There are many products available that can help to reduce the signs of aging, such as serums or creams containing retinol or vitamin C. These can help to boost collagen production and improve the overall appearance of your skin.
Alright guys, I've been trying this vitamin C serum for skin protection and vibrance. I put this on before I head out the door, and because I get the sun quite a bit here in Vegas, so I haven't noticed anything yet because I just started using it. But again, it's just one part of the big chain or the big puzzle, so you got to do a little bit of everything. So this is what I'm using for skin protection. I don't really put sunblock on except around my nose and under my eyes. It's got vitamin C and it's supposed to be good for you. Did a lot of research, so you do the same.